Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this simple and effective lightening face and body cream. So to get started, I have my measurements and ingredients ready. So as I display this on the screen, I'll be displaying on the screen the ingredient and the measurement. So all the powders I'm mixing together at this point are water soluble. So I'm going to add them together. This is SMS, so I'm going to add it into a single bowl so that I can add the water. So for this cream, I'm making it with a base cream. If you've not watched the video on how I made the base cream, you can maybe after watching this video go back and watch the base cream, because this cream I'm making it with an already made base cream that I uploaded days ago. So at this point, after mixing all my powders together, then I'll keep it aside. Then here, this is my oil. I'm using grape seed oil because it's a lightweight oil. It doesn't clog pores. So here is I'm adding my kojic dip. This is kojic dip is oil soluble, so that's why I didn't add it with the other powders. So I'm adding it in the oil so that it can dissolve properly. And after mixing it very well, I'm going to keep it aside. If you ever try making this recipe, please make sure your kojic dip is properly dissolved in the oil. So here's my cream base, and I'm using 40 grams of my cream base. This is the cream base I uploaded the video here on YouTube days ago. So here I have the powders I added in the water earlier. So I'm going to gradually pour it into the cream base and mix it. Now the next I'm adding is the koji dip I mixed with in the grapeseed oil earlier. So I'm adding this to the cream. Then after adding, I'm going to mix it as well. So I'm adding my vitamin E. I'm adding 1 gram of vitamin E oil. Then at this point, I'm adding my extract. This is my strawberry extract. I will drop the link to this extract is below this video. I'm going to drop the link to the extract I used here. In this tutorial, I used strawberry extract and rose extract. And the extract gave it the color it has. So I'm going to drop the link to the videos on how you can make the extracts yourself at home. So it has gotten to the consistency I want. I love this consistency. So the next I'm adding is my preservative. So at this point, I'm going to check the pH. So and I did this by taking 8 grams of water and 2 grams of the cream. Then after mixing it, then I'm going to check the pH of this cream. And the pH of this cream is 5, which is perfect for the skin and the face. So the next I'm adding my fragrance oil. I use vanilla essential oil. So after adding my essential oil, then I'm going to mix it one last time, and our face and body cream is ready. Remember, this is lightening face and body cream, and this cream is very effective. The next is to transfer it into a sterilized container. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to do so. See you in my next video. Bye.